Hey, this is Eddie with Multi-Man Services. Thought I would film a quick video to explain how the gutter cleaning went and talk a little bit about some of the services that we can help you out with in the future. So I'll climb up this ladder here, get into the roof inspection. As you can see, we got the gutters flushed and good to go there. Saw the water flying out the downspout. As you can see, you got a lot of this green moss. Stuff is growing roots down into your shingles, and we don't want that to happen because it'll prematurely fail your shingles. Your shingles actually have a lot of life. So we can do one of three things at your roof here. Clean it, tune it up, and then do a roof treatment to help rejuvenate and rehydrate your shingles so that we avoid things like this here. This is where a bunch of asphalt is being exposed. A lot of granular loss here, and the shingles are still glued down real nice. You know, they're not pulling up. You can see how I'm trying to pull up with my thumb, but they're glued down good in most spots. So, you know, I typically suggest people, if it's not broken, don't fix it. You know, if your roof's not leaking. There are some areas where I would suggest some repair, and I do have a gentleman that is our expert technician for that. That would be right here. By your chimney. You can see the dip over here. I'm pretty certain you got some sheeting issues. If you don't see leaking in your house, you will soon. And there usually should be a cricket. It's like a piece of roofing that sheds the water away nicely away from this chimney to prevent stuff like this. So all of this can be repaired. Your roof can be tuned up, cleaned, and rehydrated for less than what the cost of about 20 to 30% of the cost of a new roof. So much more value. I can see that you've had some repairs done to your roof here. You got a good plumbing boot here. The rubber is still pretty solid, and over there that one's been spray painted, looking good there. Valleys look decent. There is some wearing away of some of the shingle there. Gutters flushed, good to go. Just like your shingles, we can also do a gentle detergent wash on your siding. If you look at the other side of your house here, you'll see lots of green lichen and algae growing. That can cause permanent damage. So what I'll do is I'll create like a multi-bundled service discount. We do all these services that your home is really needing, and we'll give you our best deal for, you know, helping us to work efficiently. And also some marketing deals where if you were to help us with a yard sign in your yard, video testimonial, Google review, that goes a long way in helping us find clients just like yourself that need a little bit of maintenance to help them save more money. No reason to spend $10,000+ on a roof when we can just do a little bit of maintenance. Okay, so I'll end this video. We'll get out of your hair here. Thanks so much, and we look forward to working with you in the future. Any questions, don't hesitate to call me on my personal cell, 815-520-6020. Oh, and take a look at this quick informational video that kind of explains a little bit more about that roof rejuvenation and how it can help your shingles last longer and save you a lot of money. Thanks.
The summer heat and winter cold turn your shingle roof into a brittle mess. Replacing it will cost you a fortune, and if this happens, it's even worse.
Think you need a new roof? Think again.
Introducing Roof Max, the first professional and affordable roofing treatment that is scientifically proven to reduce an asphalt roof's aging process. With Roof Max, you'll have the protection of a brand new roof and save thousands. Roof Max's skilled technicians apply a safe, effective, and affordable natural treatment. And within hours, you have a roof that performs like a new roof. Roof Max's exclusive treatment resaturates old, dried shingles with a natural, bio-friendly formula that quickly restores flexibility and water-repelling protection guaranteed. Look, this is a 17-year-old asphalt shingle. It literally disintegrates. But here's an identical 17-year-old shingle that we treated with Roof Max's proven formula. It passed rigorous independent testing as a new shingle.
So your roof can even look like new. This neighborhood's roofs were ravaged by Hurricane Sally. but this house treated by RoofMax had absolutely no damage.
So a RoofMax roof can also pass a home inspection if you're getting ready to sell, or for insurance, saving you money. Check out our website to see impeccable reviews saving thousands of roofs and millions of dollars. Remember, a new roof can cost you tens of thousands, and who wants to deal with days of this? Keep your family safe and happy with RoofMax. Call or go online now to request a free roof assessment. Don't wait. RoofMax offers hassle-free price quotes using satellite measurement technology. Call or go online right now. RoofMax. More life, less money, guaranteed.